Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Karnataka on Thursday to launch a slew of projects as part of an inauguration spree that will see the PM visiting the state on an almost weekly basis in the run-up to the state assembly polls around April. On Thursday, Prime Minister Modi will lay the foundation stone and inaugurate projects related to irrigation, drinking water, and road development, valued at 10,800 crore rupees. Sources in the state government said that PM Modi would also visit the state on at least 4 occasions in February to inaugurate projects like the 10-lane Bengaluru-Mysuru Expressway. The BJP in Karnataka is banking on the infrastructure push through central projects to win votes in the 2023 state polls and maintain a pro-development identity amid maladministration and corruption allegations against the incumbent BJP state government. On Thursday afternoon, PM Modi will visit the Yadgir and Kalaburagi districts in the impoverished Kalyana Karnataka region in the north of the state and lay the foundation stone for a Yadgir multi-village drinking water supply scheme under the Jal Jeevan mission. In neighbouring Kalaburagi, he will distribute land title deeds to eligible beneficiaries of new revenue villages at Milkhead as part of a scheme to give land to around 50,000 beneficiaries. In Kalaburagi, the PM is also scheduled to inaugurate an irrigation project involving the extension, renovation, and modernization of the Narayanpur Left Bank Canal project that can benefit nearly 3 lakh farmers of the region, according to official estimates. PM Modi will also lay the foundation stone for 2 greenfield highway development projects in Karnataka which are part of the Surat-Chennai Expressway.